Alrighty, you should have watched part 1 of the video, and now we're going to go on to part 2 where I'm going to do question 3 with you. Question 3 is a little bit similar, but also different at the same time. I would make yourself a note that this question is very important, and something like this will show up on your test. And it says, given triangle TED is similar, that's a similar symbol right here. Whoops, I wrote over it. To triangle TVU, find the missing side length. So we're actually just going to solve for x. So we're just going to find x. But we're still going to take the same steps. The first thing you want to realize is that you have 2 different triangles here. So you want to realize that I have this triangle right here. And then similarly, I also have this triangle right here. I have a blue triangle, I have a pink triangle. It's not very obvious to me which one is the short side, which one's the long side, which one's the height, which one's the length. So I'm not really sure where to start, but you need to make yourself a note that this similarity statement is super, super, super important. This is where you're going to find what we want to do. So I see that I have 2 numbers in corresponding with my blue triangle. So I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick one of these numbers that I'm given. So I'm given 48, so I'm going to go with 48. And then I'm going to go and see what 48 is the length of. Well, 48 is the length of E to D, or E to T. I'm sorry, E to T or T to E. So then I'm going to go to my similarity statement and see where I can find TE or ET. Well, here's T and here's E. TE and ET, that is the length of one side, and TE is the first letter and the second letter in this triangle. And so to find which side it's proportionate to, I'm going to go find the first letter and the second letter of my second triangle. So that would give me side TV. So if I go and find side TV now, here's T, here's V, well then here's this side, then these 2 sides are proportionate. So then 48 over 15x plus 12. Alrighty, and then that's good. And then I'm going to set that equal to, I need to set it equal to the other set of proportionate sides. Well, then I'm going to go and look back on my blue triangle, because remember 48 came from my blue triangle. I'm going to look and see what other side length I'm given. Well, I'm given the side length TD or DT. And I'm going to go see where those 2 lie in my similarity statement. So T is my first letter and D is my last letter. So that's cool. And then I'm going to go find the first letter in my other triangle and the last letter of that one as well. So first and third, that gives me side TU. So here's side TU. So then these 2 sides are proportionate. So 56, which came from my blue triangle, is proportionate also to 154. And then I have my 2 proportions. So the key here is to get comfortable using this similarity statement, because I could also give you another number here. But in order to solve for x, you want to know that you only need to set up 1 proportion to 2 proportions, though, 2 fractions that are set equal to each other, and you want to use your similarity statement. And then you can cross multiply. You can cross multiply. And then I have 48 times 154 is equal to 56 times 15x plus 12. Try to remember what I do here. First things first, I can clean this side up. 48 times 154 will give me, oopsies, sorry, wrong page. Will give me 7,392. And I'm going to set that equal to, well, I need to know how to clean up this side. Whatever's on the outside of these parentheses needs to get distributed to the inside. 56 has FOMO. And so I'm going to multiply 56 times 15x. And in addition to, so I'm going to add, I'm also going to multiply 56 times 12. And then I can clean these up. And so I have 7,392 is equal to 840x plus 672. Once you get everything on one side, so I need to subtract. I'm running out of time, but I'm going to get 840, or I'm going to get 6,720 is equal to 840x